to your broom and dustpan with the Bissell PowerEdge Pet Hard Floor Vacuum. You know how pet messes can end up: along baseboards, around the litter box, and especially around food bowls. With the Bissell PowerEdge Pet Hard Floor Vacuum, you can vacuum along edges and corners where pet hair, food, and litter tend to collect without any of the usual frustration. Some stick vacuums aren't designed to or lack the power to pick up large bits of debris, and they don't clean all the way to the edge. But the innovative suction technology of the PowerEdge Pet funnels large debris into the powerful central suction path, while the ends of the V capture dirt along the edges. Rubber-like material on the bottom of the foot attracts pet hair, and powerful suction prevents it from escaping into other areas around the house. It's lightweight, versatile, and easy to use. Best of all, it is ready to go whenever you need it, helping to keep your home in order. So if you're fond of pets, but not of the cleanup, the Bissell PowerEdge Pet Hard Floor Vacuum has you covered, edge to edge. Bissell, we mean clean.
Operate, requiring only the push of a button to begin its super efficient cleaning schedule. The DN78 knows how to clean efficiently and thoroughly. It can sweep, vacuum, and mop your bare floors in a single pass. The DN78 understands your love of pets, using direct suction for perfect cleanup of pet hairs without any tangling. The DN78 can easily fit under furniture and clean hard-to-reach areas. It uses its anti-collision sensors and soft cushion bumper to protect your furniture, and using anti-drop sensors to clean up to and around stairs without the risk of falling. Applicable to a variety of floors, the DN78 is as versatile as it is efficient. It has 3 cleaning modes: Edge Cleaning Mode for cleaning along edges and in corners, Auto Cleaning Mode for energy-efficient, everyday cleaning, Spot Cleaning Mode for a small area of highly concentrated dust. Schedule DN78 to automatically clean once a day, regardless if anyone is home. When battery power gets low, it automatically returns to its charging dock. Enjoy your newfound free time. The DN78 works for you now.
Whoever's cleaning your hard floors, do they just simply push the dirty water around? That's why I use the amazing new Hoover FloorMate Deluxe. It washes and dries all at the turn of a dial. Its twin tanks keep dirty water separate from clean water, while its spin scrub brushes safely scrub my floors, including the grout, leaving them deep down clean. And there's even a separate brush for gently cleaning my delicate wood floors, leaving dirt no place to hide. It also dries incredibly fast. Just look how much the FloorMate Deluxe has picked up. The new Hoover FloorMate Deluxe, the perfect cleaner for my hard floors.
Busy has become a new way of living, so we invented a smarter way of cleaning. Introducing the Black & Decker 2-in-1 cordless stick and hand vacuum with smart tech sensing features. AutoSense helps you power through your cleaning by automatically adjusting suction from bare floors to thick carpet, so you get more power when you need it and longer battery life too. Battery Sense shows you how much battery remains, so you know how much longer you can clean before you need to recharge. And Filter Sense alerts you when it's time to clean the filter, so you continue to get maximum performance. The Black & Decker 2-in-1 cordless stick and hand vacuum with Smart Tech is super convenient for those hard-to-reach spots and those easy-to-miss places. With a long-lasting lithium-ion battery, you can move from room to room without the hassle of a cord. The Black & Decker 2-in-1 cordless stick and hand vacuum with Smart Tech sensing features is affordable and now available at your favorite stores. Clean smarter, not harder.